I have to say I love my new boots. Look how pretty they are. Now let me put them on and see how they are. The shoes have openings on the side that are designed to help you put them on easily. They are also very comfortable in the feet. They fit very well with my feet. They can be very friendly to my feet when I'm hitching up the garden. They're breathable. They keep my feet dry, they're 100% waterproof and they're 100% waterproof and insulated. Just what I would expect from a good pair of work boots. I like the way they're made on the bottom, they're non-slip, they're going to be very supportive on slippery surfaces. Which is really cool, the uppers are 100% waterproof. So they're going to allow you to clean them up very well after you've finished your work. They're really lightweight, I'd highly recommend them.